Yo. All right. I need to. No, I don't need to use the YouTube chat command anymore because it's a combined chat, don't I? I can delete that command now, can't I? Ah, yes. I'm 3D. What's up? Should I become? Hold on. We're gonna become a red model so that I blend in even more. Name change to Alchemide. I am red now. We're not. VTube Studio is. Wait, what? VTube Studio is here. Oh. I didn't think about that. I changed the name of the command it runs. So now it doesn't work. Interesting. Huh. I need to fix that. Where do I fix that? I don't actually know. I need to look at the code. I have no idea where I changed that. Because model change doesn't have a script. Certainly it's not, hard coded. Wait, what? So it's hiding it, it's not sending it back. Okay, so something's wrong here. We disseminate a command change URI model change, which is caught by some script. It's certainly one of them. Here's Vignon.model change. Hold on. Now hold on a second. We're gonna do a couple model changes. Model change to dusk for a 2D, not 2D, 3D. That'll take a second to load. Okay. Name change to 2D dusk. Okay. And we'll name change back to Fox Woman because that's what the state of the world was. Okay. We have fixed it. I have found the commands that it runs. They're very boring, but they work. It's funny. The scripts it runs literally just changes the name of the script that's running to VTube Studio and then runs it. You think an RTX 3050 6 gigabits, GTX 1060, RX 580s powerful enough to render a 3D model in high res? How high res are we talking? $4K minimum. Why are you rendering your 3D model at 4K? To stream on 4K? Yeah, I don't think you can stream on 4K on Twitch. Also, what's your upload bandwidth? Hmm. So, you wouldn't be streaming to Twitch. You'd have to stream to YouTube. Because Twitch limits you to 6 megabits per second, and for a 5K screen, that's going to look like shit. It's going to look really bad. Because for 1080p video, you're supposed to have 8 megabits, but they don't give you 8 megabits on Twitch. And then for a 4K frame or a 5K frame, you're going to be really struggling. So you're probably going to be streaming in 1080p. You might game in a higher resolution, but yeah. The other thing is that streaming is relatively heavy. So if you're playing a game at 5K, you're probably going to have trouble. Unless you use a 2 PC setup. Dual GPU might work. In my experience, it didn't really help all that much. Like the second GPU in my relay PC, it got essentially overwhelmed with only like 2 outputs. And one of those was the chat window. And that was before the chat window was cool. Be honest, mine's kind of modern and powerful. Until you launch Helldivers 2, yes. I have a 4060 Ti, and I have to use a second computer to run my chat. That's how that's how much resource Helldivers 2 uses. Also, I've pressed the keybind to pay out believers like 8 times, and it has not happened yet. Are these not the names? Hmm. Is it not named right in the The script bindings weren't named right. Oh, I also need to use key-based matching. One sec. It uses executing node matching, which is not correct, because the executing node will always be the word prediction. And that does not describe what we want to do to the prediction. It would have been so funny if I missed. Just want to experiment with VTubing and streaming. Yeah, it's just streaming uses a lot of resources. And then playing a game at 5K is going to use a lot of resources. And the problem is, if your game and stream aren't running both at 60 FPS, people will stop watching. I mean, maybe you could get away with 30, but like, I had somebody that I was going to raid, and then I got into their stream, and the stream was like 4 FPS. And like, I'm not gonna say, that everybody has to have a crazy computer. It's just that it's not a great viewing experience if the frame rate is that low. I felt bad not rating them, but that is just kind of how it is sometimes. Oh, another thing you're gonna have to come to terms with is that you're gonna have to stream in H.264 whether or not you want to use a better codec. Usually stream at 80 megabits per second on my local network on Hep C. I don't think Twitch allows you to ingest FC. Hep C does it. They recommend H.264. Yeah, no, you have to use H.264 on Twitch. They could save a ton of bandwidth if they just let us stream AV1, but H.264 1080p 60 at 6 megabits per second. Yep. It might use up to double that if you enable Twitch enhanced broadcasting, which I do recommend, because Twitch enhanced broadcasting means that you stream at multiple different qualities to Twitch, which increases the load on your side, but it means that people on slower connections can still watch. Which is one of the things I've been doing ever since I had the ability. At least I'm pretty sure I'm streaming in multiple qualities. Yeah, I am. Okay. Okay. Where did my Postgres install go? Didn't I have a thing for Postgres? Why do I not have an entry for Postgres anymore? Wish 30 series had an AV1 encoder? Yeah. The hell is the set mark? Set is A. Alright. What is the IP of Postgres? That's not the right network. That is not the right network. You should not be getting a 0.1. I don't know what the subnet is. Okay. I have to install PG agent. I know you can't see anything too. I really can't be fucked to deal with the windows changing super often. And then the fact that I'd be showing all of my passwords. Okay, I need to restart you. It's a good thing my stream does not depend on this connection. Now I need to restart you because you break when I do that. Fuck it, we'll restart everything else too. Might as well. Alright, I need to install PG agent. RPG agent. PG agent. Oh no, I need PG admin. Okay. While that's going, I need to go find the password. Hmm. Too bad they don't have PG admin on Audible apps. I can, however, generate barcodes. Need to head out and grab breakfast? Oh, well, thanks for stopping by. That worked. Surprisingly easy. I'm pretty sure that this that does exist. Okay. Need to add a role for me. Okay. What? Wait, is it a dumb reason that that didn't work? Hold on. Are you Linux pilled? Don't tell me. It will be so dumb. This is the reason that that connection failed. It probably is. It is. Linux, why are you the way that you are? Okay. Mm. Okay. Um, you get the current timestamp. Current timestamp. That works. Okay. We have constraints. All right. Hmm. I forgot how painful it is to use um, capital letters in Postgres. Mm. Oh, that's right. Postgres is the language that forces you to use single quotes for strings. Forgot about that. It's been a while since I used Postgres. I've been doing a lot of SQLite. I was always wondering why people used SQLite until I used SQLite, and then I realized, holy shit, SQLite is so much better than all of the other shit. The only problem is I need a central database, so SQLite doesn't really work. But yeah, no, SQLite is so much easier to use. Need to see what the names of the titles were. Okay. Oh, Ants. Thanks for the raid. Welcome. I am currently doing highly, highly interesting things. They're very, very interesting. I'm definitely not um, editing a database. I don't know where you would get such a crazy idea that I would be doing something as degenerate as editing a database. I'm definitely not on PG Admin 4 at the moment. Oh, I forgot to press start streaming. I mean, I totally didn't forget to do the streaming. I was playing guitar, but finger is in pain. Damn. Oh, well, I hope your finger feels better soon. Yes, I am entering in the stream titles. So here's all of our stream titles thus far. Can I not sort these? Oh, they are sorted. They didn't feel sorted. Probably because a 1090 sorts below a 10180, but it's a lexical sort. But yes, here's our stream titles. We have attend 180, which means that you have to attend 180 streams detectably. Which means you have to send a chat message. And then we have attend event, which I will have to determine how the hell I'm going to determine that. We should probably actually add some for special events. Some that are now unavailable, probably. I mean, a lot of these are unavailable. Attend stream anniversary 2026. Stream anniversary 2026 attendee. I need to get rid of all these. These have already been inserted, so it'll throw an exception if I try to do it again. Attend Donathon. What are some other titles we should add? And give me a good thing. I need a good thing to award a stream title for. I'm making this your problem now. Putting me in the closet 10 times. I don't want to encourage that, though. Also, it's not even available. Closet's still disabled, I'm pretty sure. You do? Hmm. You know what? I'll put you in the closet. Already there. Shit. He's become too powerful. I don't even know how I would do the rest of these, like how I would do a lot of the other ideas I have. Because the problem is I need to be able to determine that they exist. Right? Like they do have to be something I can detect. Which does mean if you lurk 50 streams in a row, yeah, there is streak 50. I think Hydra is currently past 50 streak. The problem is I can only see stream streak notifications for 1 week. Which is not great. Wait, it doesn't even show me stream streaks. Huh. Here we go, watch streaks. I don't remember when Hydra mentioned their I think their streak was at 67. When was that? They might have hit 75 by now. They're just there lurking in the shadows, awaiting their moment to shine. Meanwhile, you're somehow getting away with saying 67 because you're a lead mod. How dare you say such profane things in my stream? You know, I actually I kicked Nox from my server. Getting VC? Oh fuck. Crazy shit are you going to say? Ah, you can't say anything because you're muted.
No, I'm not.
Fuck.
Now I can just say 6-7.
You can't say that. There's actually an international treaty. You know the Geneva Convention?
The Geneva Suggestion, yeah.
Yeah, it says you can't say 6-7.
Well, you just fucking said it.
Look. Thanks for looking.
Ideas you can actually track.
Yeah. Because the problem is the only like lasting information I have about streams is raids and chat messages. That's all I have. Because like the stream streaks, I only get to see for 2 weeks, and then it's gone.
Difficult one because all I can think of is like milestone followers, like the 500th follower.
Mm-hmm.
It's difficult. Oh my fucking god, my hand.
You good?
Yeah, in sorting out my room earlier, I dropped something on it. I think I broke one of my knuckles.
Oh damn.
I've still proceeded to try and play an hour of guitar with a slightly broken hand.
It seems like something you do routinely.
What, hurt myself? Yeah.
And then try to play guitar with a fucked hand.
Yeah, I'm good at it. I'm good at injuring myself. And then trying to do stuff. I want to do the thing. So I'm gonna do the thing.
This guy's never heard of rest, guys. He doesn't even sleep.
I need sleep.
Fuck,
Sleep's optional.
you're more of a vampire than Mike.
Is Mike here?
No, I don't think so.
Then your point stands and fuck. Sleep's optional. I don't need sleep. I need caffeine, nicotine, and anger, all of which I currently have.
I was considering making a thing for number of messages, but then people are just gonna spam.
Yeah, you're just inviting message spam at that point.
Yeah.
Um,
So another thing is I don't want to have too many that change hands. Because, like, Streak Highest is currently the only one that can be lost. I mean, I guess the sub-tier ones can be lost too, but I mean, we'll worry about that when we get there.
it's a difficult one.
Yeah. So I think a lot of the ones I want to do are attendance. I want to do one for early followers. So there's going to be one for following in 2024, which there are exactly 20 people that have done that. It might actually be slightly less. I don't remember. You think I would know these things? And to that I say, you thought that I have fucking memory? Do you know who you're talking to?
I don't know how many people followed me in 2024.
Yeah, that's one of the things that's cool about Coalescence is I can just run twitch.get followers and it'll dump it all into the log.
Oh, I've been streaming for a long old time. 5 years.
Damn.
Yeah, I started streaming in 2021.
Nice. I've been
I
streaming since
started streaming.
24.
Well, I started streaming long before that, actually, thinking about it. Because my initial run of streaming was when I used to speedrun, way back when Twitch wasn't even a thing.
Yeah. Back when it was just in TV, huh?
Back when it was just in TV, yeah.
That is an old time.
Wait, 2011, 2012?
Yeah. The olden days.
Back when I was a Sonic speedrunner.
Yep. I also have had a few Twitch channels in the past. None of them are good. I remember one of them I was playing I was playing copyrighted music. But that was before Twitch even had a DMCA system. I have been desaturated by the Goon Man. Help.
Oh god, not you. It's that Scandinavian fuck. Go back to your sauna.
Where the fuck is the log for this stream? Is it this one? Nope.
I love that how he's turned up and I've just insta started beef with him for no good reason.
He hasn't said anything since. You've angered him. He's about to become even more powerful.
He has no power here.
That's what you think. Then you get hit with the 155. He's preparing his artillery. It's so Jover. Where the fuck is the... I ran get followers and it didn't dump anything into the console. Just do it again.
You're preparing your artillery. Do it.
Wait, it's not... Chat, my followers don't work.
You prepare your artillery, mate. Ain't gonna do shit. Can't even hold a controller properly. This may be an issue for what I want to do tomorrow.
Oh dear. I have another slight issue.
What is your issue?
The only way that I have to view a table is to convert it to JSON data and display it in an error message box. Do you know what the problem with that is?
What?
There are far too many people for it to be displayed in a message box. It is probably 3 or 4 times larger than my screen.
What you have there is a funny problem.
I'm suffering from success. I've had to put it in a script log.
You started saying words I don't understand again.
Essentially, I had to make a special log file for it.
I'm writing my own weather app.
Why?
What's it going to say? The weather's nicer in Denmark?
I was right. It's exactly 20 people. He is going to make a Danish weather application.
I love how I've just started on him for no reason whatsoever.
He's not here to defend himself. I mean,
That's
technically he is, but, you know. Actually, fun fact, Oliver, you are the last person to follow me in 2024. He's one of the OGs.
And that's very fucked up.
Yep, I can tell you exactly the second you fucked up and accidentally pressed a button. You accidentally pressed the follow button on December 27th, 2024 at 22:53:56 UTC. That's when you fucked up. You have the outdated Spotify CarPlay that doesn't work anyway, so I'm making it into a weather forecast system. He has the car thing chat. It's unfortunate.
Skill issue. I should really be going to bed. I have to be up in like 3 hours. I have to be out and about in like 3 hours time.
Yeah, you should go to sleep. Get you some rest.
Is it actually worth it at this point?
That depends on what you're going out for.
Coffee.
You're going out for coffee in 3 hours.
Yeah, I'm going to meet the woman before she goes to work.
Then you'll be all right. Get some sleep, and then you'll wake up with the coffee.
There's every chance I don't wake the fuck up.
And just set up like 9 alarms.
That won't do shit.
You ever watch Electro Boom?
Can't say I have.
What? You haven't?
No, I don't watch shit, man.
I have to send you a video. I have to send you a video.
Am I legally obligated to watch this video?
A little bit of it, yeah. There you go.
Let's have a watch.
For reference, chat, this is what I sent him.
I've got an ad at the moment.
That's unfortunate.
I don't need a stair lift. Fuck off.
You're not that fucked yet. I'll send it to YouTube chat too. There's nobody here, but you know, if somebody happens to pop in later, you don't have to type in the link.
Okay, no. Absolutely fucking not.
Why not? That shit'll wake you right up.
That shit would also... Fuck that. No, fuck that noise.
What, you don't want to wake up to a fucking capacitor blowing up in your ears?
No, I don't really want an explosion in my room. I'm good, thanks.
I'm sure he can get something. He'll be able to make you something.
I mean, the solution is just stay up for 3 hours.
Yeah.
That way, there's no I don't have to deal with an explosion.
Yeah.
If I deal with the explosion, it's on my terms, mate.
Been among.
Fuck that noise.
I love that he still does this. He goes to different countries and sticks a bunch of components in the outlets.
Fucking wild.
He most recently went to Greece a week ago.
And stuck some random shit in the outlets.
Judging by the shower of sparks in the thumbnail, I'm going to go ahead and say yes.
Don't put things in your fucking plug outlet. Don't put shit in your plug outlet. It goes bang.
Acoustic imager. What? The hell is that? That's interesting.
Is that like an oscilloscope?
Hmm?
An acoustic imager? It sees sound waves? What the hell? What?
Yeah, I guess it has like a directional microphone, and then it must do some sort of like. I have no idea. It could be an array of directional microphones, I guess.
I imagine it would be an array, yeah.
Yeah.
I need to go sort my hand out.
Yeah, go deal with your hand. What the hell?
I can still move it, so...
You can still
Yes, that's
move
my-
it.
Yes, that's my logic of it's okay, it moves. It moves and I'm not in agonizing pain, so it's fine.
Somebody sent me a friend request.
Not me, I don't like you.
I have no idea when they sent it. I just have information that they did at some point send me a friend request.
Brilliant.
And that they are potentially a spammer. So we do what anybody would do. Check VGen. If I have a message. I don't have a message. I'm ignoring this request.
Who this?
Yep. New phone, who dis? I have a new phone number.
Do I test out what I wanted to test out?
What did you want to test out?
Blue sent me 2 randomizer seeds. He sent me the bin files earlier. So.
Mhm. Oh yeah, did you ever
I want
upload
to test them.
the mods?
Hold up.
That's the hold up. Someone who didn't. Here's what we here's how we go. You start the upload, and then you go deal with your fucking hands.
Give me a minute.
Alright, I need to change this to be lowercase. Alright. Now I can actually open these things. That's okay.
I am currently putting them in a RAR file.
Okay.
Yes,
RAR files.
I still use WinRAR. I'll deal with it.
It's okay. All of the compression tools are Russian anyway.
Yeah, we found this out on our deep dive.
Yeah. I think that was off stream, but we like did a lot of looking into compression tools because we had a bit of an interest. And yeah, it turns out they're all Russian. Like 7-zip is from Igor Pavlov. RAR is from I can't remember the guy's name. I know it's 2 brothers, and one of them does all of the patent stuff, and then one of them does the software. Which is also why Unrar is a different license than WinRAR. Who are the guys? It's made by Eugene Rochal and Alexander Rochal. And they made it in 1995. But yeah, a lot of compression tools are Russian. And I mean, I'm just saying, Igor did a pretty damn good job. I like 7-zip. We stand 7-zip in this channel, I guess.
Now, I'm gonna stick with WinRAR because what I've got installed.
My guy hates compression ratio.
My guy hates everything. You should know this by now. You've spoken to me enough. I hate literally everything.
I'm a neon piss green Among Us guy. Yeah, I said piss green to deal with it.
Your piss is green, my dude.
Unhealthy. Means you have
Yeah,
a
go see
bacterial
someone.
infection. Actually, it said that it was benign if you have green piss. My humor knows no bounds. Yes. It certainly doesn't know any bounds. Alright. I now need to make a way to actually assign these. I also need to make an array of actual users, because the way that the users works is that there's an internal ID and then a Twitch ID, which is the same strategy I use for my bots. Because it means that if you change your Twitch username, have the Twitch ID, and then also we can connect your account to multiple other accounts as time goes on. We could have Discord titles.
Imagine having more than one Twitch account.
That couldn't be me. I disabled the other one.
I have two. Mad Metal Man, and I have my alt account. It's Dick Kickham.
I'm pretty sure that I'm pretty sure I might have 4 actually. Because I have one for Aura, which never actually happened. I never actually gave Aura an actual account. Although it is still planned for Coalescence to be able to act on behalf of a moderator and not the broadcaster themselves. I just haven't done that yet because it's a pain in the ass. And also, it's going to be so much OAuth, and I really don't want to deal with OAuth. Hey Oliver, do you want to write OAuth for me? I'll give you a dedicated Dusk Pet GIF. Look at how snazzy this GIF is.
If you write his code for him, I'll give you a pack of Danish pastries.
You could destroy them. Look at this Dusk Pet. It's not animated. It's supposed to be, but OBS apparently doesn't open APNG files. So it's just a singular frame. Look at that jubilation right there. That right there is a happy Dusk.
If you write his code for him, I'll be nice to you for 5 minutes.
I mean, that's a pretty good deal.
There's one issue with this.
Which is?
I don't know if I'm capable of that.
I believe in you.
At least someone does.
Oh, another thing too. I have done something a little bit freaky. There's a new emote. That's right.
Just scrolled over the fucking coin.
What?
I forgot. Oh shit, I don't want to do that.
That's right. Everybody, we have a new emote.
That's a really cool emote, to be fair.
I'm happy you like it because it took like a fucking hour to render.
That's awesome. Also, I've just scrolled around. I've just seen what the coins are called. I forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
Asked me to do shit is a bad idea.
Did you see my message in my server?
Yeah, I did. I was like, "What? You fucking outed me, didn't you? You had something to be like, yeah, this is all Alan's fault."
I mean, it was your fault.
You asked me. You somehow expected some sensible answer.
But yes, we do now have a Scuba Squad emote. It took so long to render. Here, can I find the video? Oh shit, here we go. Look at this. Okay, look at this one, which is actually going to render. Look at that. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's gone again. How do I make it loop? Loop.
I can't send that over Discord.
Look at this.
Google.
They're going crazy. What is this WebM version? Why is it so compressed? Hold on, this is... Why is it so compressed?
This is gonna take an hour to upload.
I also don't know why, but the like positioning works better in the other one, and I don't know why. It'll take an hour to upload, damn.
Yeah.
Here, we'll just have them going crazy in the corner down here. Here, we'll put it so that they're actually on. What is going on? We got the scuba squad. Well, welcome.
I'm gonna leave that to do its thing.
Yep. Go deal with your hands.
I mean, there's not a lot I'm going to be able to do with it.
You could put a really big, comedically large bandage on it.
I could tape my middle finger to my index finger or my middle finger to my ring finger.
Yeah.
So I don't move it as much, but that would be it, and that's going to wind me up. And I don't want to cover my nice ring.
You're gonna need to get like a hand cast. Also, they changed the OBS new source menu.
Fuck that noise am I fucking putting my hand in a cast? Jog the fuck on.
Your hands are gonna look like abominations. Eldritch abominations.
Have you seen my hand up close? It already does.
Have you considered that this might be why? He's silent because he knows I'm right.
I'll send you a picture of my hand. This is the busted hand in question.
It doesn't look that bad. Just a little busted. The only thing that looks eldritch about it is that your fingers are long.
Yeah, I have lanky old fingers.
Yeah.
I love how you haven't pointed out the fact my nails are red.
Well, I can't see that from this angle. Oh, you sent me the other angle. I didn't see that because I had the other one open. Yeah, no, I noticed that earlier.
Yeah, my hand is knackered.
I mean,
You can see all the...
it doesn't look that bad.
hurt like shit. How do I make it hurt? What if I... What a fucking mistake. That was a big mistake. Ow. That hurts more.
Yeah, you should probably like go see someone.
I'll be fine. I'll be alright. My solution to this hurt, I'm gonna crack my knuckle. Let's see if that works.
That was inadvisable.
That wasn't my finest hour, was it? I mean,
You know you're gonna get yelled at later too.
shit. What would I do about that? Who am I going to get yelled? There's two people who are going to yell at me for this.
Uh-huh.
One of which is in person, and the other one will be online, so I'm not that concerned.
I mean, currently I'm also yelling at you, so that makes 3.
Yeah, but you're about as threatening as a hedgehog, mate.
Look. Can I get at least a slightly spiky hedgehog? Slightly, like,
No, that
like 1.1 times spikiness.
It's a big hedgehog.
Thank you for saying that. I was drinking.
You can't drink that because he says dumb shit.
So a big hedgehog. Yeah, I suppose. Plus 10% hedgehog. What percent hedgehog would you want to be? We're gonna have to make a new webpage.
100% Sonic. Done.
Well, is he 100% hedgehog? He's bipedal.
You raise a fair point.
Pretty sure hedgehogs don't do that.
I don't know.
Does that mean that he's 60% hedgehog and that at some point, if you go further into the hedgehog category, you lose a bunch of speed?
Yeah. So you've got normal human speed at between 10 and 30%. 30 to 60, the speed gradually increases, peaks at 60, then declines again.
Yeah. 70% pros, more hedgehog. Cons, no longer blue streak.
You've just reminded me of all the fucking Sonic lore and shit.
All I remember is Sonic X.
I remember Sonic X.
Yeah. Just remember edgy
Mate.
Sonic.
Sonic lore is fucking wild when you look into it.
I'm not actually aware of too much Sonic lore.
Don't be.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Is it good or
Definitely.
bad?
It's a mix of both.
Yeah, fair enough. Is it like Kirby lore?
Oh, Kirby lore's fucking wild.
Kirby's over here just to simplify the Pantheon.
Okay, computer.
What?
What are you playing at? You said 1 hour 10 a minute ago. It's gone up to 1 hour 26.
Damn.
Why do progress bars just not work?
Do you want the actual answer?
Yeah, why do progress bars not work? I want to fucking know.
So it's a combination of they do instantaneous progress and that fluctuates a decent amount. And it's pretty difficult to tell how long something will take. Because Windows update starting in the background will make your download or make your upload slower.
What you're telling me is my computer's fucking gaslighting me half the time.
Yeah.
Fucking dickhead. I'm annoyed now.
You could think of it more like construction. It assumes that everything is going to work and gives you a time frame of 4 months. And then as it's going and copying the file, one of the contractors comes back and says, "Hey, we need more money. And we're going to need an extra week." And now it's going to take 4 months and 1 week. And then 4 more contractors come back and be like, "Hey, this dumbass who took an extra week is pushing all of us back a week. And now you have to go another week." And then it just keeps getting worse and worse until eventually you spent 6.5 years on the project.
Who decided that this was a good idea?
Well, I mean, it'd be better than having no progress bar, wouldn't it?
I'd rather have no progress bar if my progress bar is going to fucking lie to me.
Right, but it's only going to lie to you by about 20%.
It's still lying to me.
Yeah, but if you had no progress bar, you'd be sitting there wondering how long it's going to take and you'd have no idea.
I hate this.
You'd have to do
This is
math and like use a stopwatch, and then you would be the one lying to you.
I hate it. That's dumb. It's done. Computers are inherently stupid things.
Yep. That's the thing that you learn when you become when you become a software programmer. Computers are incredibly stupid. They will not do anything for you. You have to tell them exactly what to do. And when you do, they do it really fucking fast.
Or they don't do it at all.
Well, it depends on if you did it well or not.
From my experience of watching like you do programming stuff, Blue do programming stuff, half the time you ask it to do a thing and it doesn't fucking do it.
Well, you see, programming is, in my opinion, the most masochistic endeavor of any form of engineering, right? Because you have to. It's like inventing the light bulb. You find 1,000 ways it doesn't work.
I mean, that's just engineering in a nutshell.
Yeah. And it's funny because while reevaluating what I was saying while I was saying it, I actually don't think it's the most masochistic. Electrical engineering is. Because you have to spend all this time developing something and that it doesn't work, and you're like, fuck. And now you're out $50.
Welcome to my life as an engineer who does engineering things half the time and build shit. Case in point, the firework cannon.
Yep.
How many prototypes do you think that thing took to get right?
I'm gonna go with 3.
Nope, a lot more than that.
15.
9.
I was close. And I know what you're thinking. You weren't close, you absolute fuck. But I was equidistantly wrong.
You were.
So that means that the average is perfectly bang on.
Oh, your average is dead on. I'm not going to disagree with you. But yeah, that took 9 different prototypes before it didn't decide it wanted to kill me.
Yeah.
My robot was robot, my BattleBot. That's been through design stage after design stage and putting shit on it and it doesn't work and going, this don't work. Shit, what do I do now?
Yeah.
That's just how making anything goes. Like, you kind of have to trial and error it.
Yeah. Also, hello, Meow Cat. How you doing?
Right, it's 4:42 a.m.
Yeah, you should go to sleep.
I'm gonna go make coffee.
Well, you're going out for coffee.
Yeah, but doesn't mean I want coffee now.
Fair enough.
You assume caffeination is a temporary thing.
Well, for me it is, because the second I drink coffee, I get eepy.
Coffee keeps Ant functional and stops Ant wanting to beat everybody up.
Coffee gives me dysfunction.
I'm pretty sure talking to me gives you dysfunction as well.
Nah. I like talking to you.
Well, why?
You're interesting.
No, I'm not. I'm an idiot.
That's what makes you interesting.
What, the fact I'm a dumbass?
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta be a dumbass. Otherwise, everything's just calculations.
Don't take advice. Don't take that advice. That's terrible advice.
Look.
Be smart. Be smart, guys. Don't be an idiot.
I mean, sometimes you gotta be an idiot.
Also, what the hell makes me interesting? Because I am not. I am not computing this right now.
I mean, look. You built a firework cannon, which is pretty fucking sick. I am fucking blanking so hard. I think I'm finally running out of energy for the day.
I did build a firework cannon. It did. But you know the worst thing about the firework cannon?
What's that?
It had a rifled barrel. Yes, I rifled the barrel of this fucking thing.
See, that's interesting.
It wasn't accurate enough, so I rifled the barrel. Gave the fireworks some spin on its way out. It was rifled very poorly, but it was rifled.
I feel like the next time that we talk, you're gonna be like, "Yeah, I made a cannon for the nunchucks."
No, I don't mess with the nunchucks. They hurt.
That'd be a fucking lethal cannon, though.
It's not the most lethal cannon I've ever made. That would be the dart launcher.
Oh god.
That thing scared me.
I mean, as it should. It's a fucking dart launcher.
Yep, like steel tip tungsten dart you throw at your dartboard. I basically built an air cannon for one.
Hmm.
For no other reason than I could.
I
Probably the
wonder.
worst thing
I wonder how many
fired
visits
it.
it would take you if you attempted to play a 501 dart game by throwing all 3 darts at once.
How the fuck would you check that out?
With great difficulty.
You wouldn't.
I believe in you.
Ignoring the checkout, probably about 30 throws. It'd take fucking ages.
Imagine this. You're in the madhouse. You have to hit a
I'm just
double
walking
one,
away from the board,
and your other
I'm
2
leaving
darts have to miss.
I'm walking away from the board, mate. Fuck that noise. I'm just leaving. I'm just at that point. I'm forfeiting the match, mate. I'm just gonna walk away. Fuck that noise.
That would be an experience, to be sure.
That would be shit.
All right. I keep forgetting I'm supposed to be doing like things. I'm just getting so invested in the app.
But yeah, it was basically a copper pipe with a butterfly valve at one end. You stuck all the air in, you fucking hit the thing, the butterfly valve went, all the air went one way, and that was that.
Yeah.
Out the dart fucking came, and it came out at pace.
I would be so afraid to do anything with high pressure.
Oh, I like high pressure, it's good fun. But it went when I fired it through my piece of 18-inch plywood that was intended to stop it,
Mm-hmm.
through my shed door, through the back of the shed, and into the fence behind my shed.
Yeah.
It went through 3 separate pieces of wood before it fucking stopped in the 4th. I fired it once more after that to chronograph it. I wonder how fast the thing was going. Came out the barrel at 300 miles an hour.
Shit.
I did not know you could propel a dart that hard, but you can.
Is it bad that the first thing I thought of when you mentioned the dart going through all of the things is the first thing that went through my mind is a slow-mo guy's video where it's just the dart flying straight through the wood like it's nothing.
Oh, it would have been amazing to see that in slow-mo, but yeah. After that happened, I decided I'd dismantle it and never put it back together.
Probably for the best.
The firework cannon got built 3 times though, because yeah, the first one I lost.
How did you lose a firework cannon?
Don't ask me how I lost it, but I did. The second one I gave to my friend and never got back.
So you lost that one too?
Yeah, but I know where I lost that one, so that's not too bad. My friend had it.
Mm-hmm.
The third one I still have. It probably doesn't work very well anymore because it's been in the back of a shed for like 5 years, but it does still exist. Right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go caffeinate and chill out on YouTube and rest my hand because that's the sensible thing to do.
Yeah. Do you want me to leave you with something?
What?
Here's a comment that I've just found in my code again.
Amazing.
It is great. Twitch API does this shit ass character and it makes me big mad.
You big mad guys.
Yeah, Twitch has a tendency to just stick a U34F.
Bastard thing. Anyway, have a good one, man. I'm gonna go and rest and try not injure myself anymore.
Yeah. We'll
I will speak to
get
you
some
soon.
rest and have fun on getting coffee. Both times.
I'll have first coffee. The second coffee will be great, mate.
Yeah.
I get to hang out with my woman and her younger sister, which is just her in minute. Well, they're both miniature, actually, thinking about it. Yeah, I can't say random because I'll get beaten up. No joke. I'll find a picture of us two together at some point, but she is 5 foot tall.
Mhm.
Her sister is 4'10".
How tall are
I'm
you?
6'2".
Yeah.
Looks rather amusing when we're together.
You're like a tower of a man.
Mate, they talk to me and I'm literally like proper like straining neck to look down at them.
You just have to become super full of yourself so that you can talk down to them and talk down to them at the same time.
One of my favourite things to do is walk between them and stick my arm on their shoulders, mate. It's hilarious. This normally results in an elbow to the chest. That's normally the reaction. But it's very funny to do. Yes, I'm just a walking intrusive thought.
The chaos gremlin energy still resides within you, I see.
It has done for years, mate. You think it's any different with any... No. Everyone gets the same fucking arsehole version of Anne, who has just decided that I'm gonna be chaotic and you all got to deal with it. Like, that's as far as the thought goes. I'm gonna be chaotic now.
Yeah.
The result of this is not my problem. Anyways, have a good one, man. I will speak to you soon.
You too. See ya.
Much love, dude.
Chat. That was ants. And we can get at him. We can hit him. No. You know what? Just because you said that, chat, follow this man. That's right. Hit him where it hurts. Follow him. And then that'll get him. That'll get him. We love Ant here. That's great. Don't follow me, you'll end up drunk. Look, you might end up drunk and unsure of where you are. You'll be in the nearest major city. It's like you're spawning into GTA. But he will he will be slightly peeved. Doesn't sound so bad to me. See? It's perfect. You'll wake up in bush with no idea what how you got there. Hey, I mean, that just sounds like a wacky Tuesday. I need to determine how I'm going to actually award these stream titles. I need to create some way to... I probably need to make a library that will interact with the server. So I need to make a role, which I can't do because I'm connected with the wrong account. All right, I need to make a role, which we'll call stream titles, or stream title admin. It does the stream titles. What do you want from me? Yes. Post res stream titles. All right. Privileges can log in. Yes. And then we will give access to... Oh, this isn't the right database. Give access to... What? Oh. Stream titles, tables, awards. We will give stream title admin privileges to insert, select, insert and select. That'll be fine. And we will also give it privilege to select from defs. It's not spelled right at all. That's close enough. You know, a precitai. Hey Kenyon, how you doing? Do I give it access to insert? Maybe I do. Parameters. Huh? Here we go. Insert. Rah. You're watching me from inside my walls. No. I'm supposed to be the one in the walls. I've never prepared for somebody to be in my walls. You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby. Oh. Stream title admin needs the ability to create users. They need insert, select, update on the user schema. Can I give them access to the entire schema? Hold on. Nope. So stream title admin needs insert, select, update. I don't want to give update though, but it's really important. I'm trying to be a little bit more restrictive with the permissions I give. Because this is theoretically a more security critical database. It can be handled problematically, and is just on the internet. So I want to be a little bit more restrictive with how I do things. The passwords are very long. I think this should be all it needs, though. So the idea is that users, which I might actually change its ID column to be a text and not integer, where text is a random text string. Can I not change it to text? What? Why am I not able to select text? Oh, I can't change the primary key, can I? There's no answer. There's no items. I could change it to a big int at least. No, I can't. Hold on. I might have just destroyed all of the references. It says it works. We do need it to be an integer though, because all of the foreign keys depend on it being an integer. So we can only have up to 4 billion, 4 billion users. So if we have 4 billion, I have larger problems, I'd guess. All right. So the idea now is that we close pgadmin and we start making a, turn this off, go to VS. We need a project, probably under Coalescence. I will get this open in a second here. We'll call it coalescence.stream titles. This is very much just a Coalescence thing. It's probably only going to be in my install of Coalescence and will not be added to base. So first orders of business is we need to create a subsystem for it. So it will be a subsystem based thing. We need to add well, that's annoying. Is it not building? It's probably not building because it's in use. But it should at least get the reference resolved. Um, Alright, I'm gonna have to kill Coalescence and rebuild. Because Coalescence is preventing it from rebuilding. Rebuilding is preventing it from doing syntax highlighting. And syntax highlighting is pretty good. Oh, you know what? I do need to delete this project. It's okay. I haven't done anything important. The reason I have to delete it is that I need it to be based on one of the assemblies that exists already. Because there's some features of it that it requires. And we'll call it an app, that's fine. Okay. So we need to delete some information here. We might need to delete this resources regex. This will prevent us from building the application. All right. Okay. So I now need to install mpg-sql. Nearly 1 billion downloads. Nice. We'll yoink their code snippet. Okay. Mm, yeah, we'll assume it's Postgres. I mean, technically, we probably should make it generic, but I mean, we're going to be using Postgres syntax. We might as well. All right, we need to recreate our topology here. Mm, Hmm. Hmm. Honestly, I might call it here. I'm just getting super eepy again. It's hitting me all at once. Like a forward F 350. Hmm. Yeah, I am going to raid out. I'm just getting a little bit eepy. All right, we're going to raid Galaxies, who is currently playing. We can't raid Galaxies. They have raids disabled. Okay, we need to find someone else. Um, uh, what are you playing? I have an ad, so I won't know. What are you playing? You have been streaming for 11 minutes. Oh, you are actually not eligible for my raids. What? When did you go? 1.1 thousand followers. Damn. Huh. I tend to go for people who are not doing so well. Or at least not doing that well. So we are going to raid Justin Elf VT, who is playing Nobody Wants to Die. Which looks very freaky. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Wait, what? Were you just wearing a different shirt? What? That's kind of sick. All right. Sorry, I'm getting very distracted. This game looks very interesting. Everybody, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a great day. We don't have a raid message command because I don't think it's working. We need a good raid message. We have about 20 seconds. We're gonna use. I'm pretty sure this isn't even a visible. Actually, it's not visible in this channel. I bet. This is our raid message. If you're not a subscriber, that's fine. It's just everything except for the emote. I ran out of time. Wouldn't downloaded elf. This guy has some crazy stuff. That's cool. All right. I'm going to kill the stream now. See